Welcome to Healthy Habits. We are so glad you found us. Here at Healthy Habits, we are dedicated to helping you live your healthiest and happiest life. Our channel is all about sharing practical tips and advice for improving your nutrition, staying active, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy levels, or just feel better overall, we've got you covered. Our team of experts will provide you with the latest research and recommendations for living a healthier life. So join us on this journey to better health and wellness. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our latest videos. We can't wait to share our healthy habits with you.
The number one food to boost testosterone. Testosterone is a hormone that is primarily produced in the testes of male animals, including humans. It is also produced in smaller amounts by the ovaries in females and by the adrenal glands in both sexes. Testosterone plays an important role in the development and maintenance of male sexual characteristics, such as the growth of facial and body hair, deepening of the voice, and muscle mass. This food does not only help you boost testosterone but even increase fertility, sperm count and sperm motility. This particular food is oysters. They are the food that contains the most zinc. Not just zinc, but it has bioavailable zinc and copper. If you are deficient in zinc, you could develop something called hypogonadism. It is a medical condition in which the body is unable to produce normal levels of testosterone. When trying to build up testosterone, it's not just about increasing one hormone, it's about supporting the entire endocrine system. Balancing all the hormones and consuming oysters can help you with that on so many different levels. They are loaded with zinc and copper in the right ratios. Plenty of vitamin B12, iron, vitamin D, vitamin B6, omega-3 fatty acids and choline. But there are things that you need to stop taking since they will nullify the results. Statin drugs. They are a class of medications used to lower cholesterol levels in the blood. They work by inhibiting an enzyme called HMG-CoA reductase, which is involved in the production of cholesterol in the liver. This effect is thought to occur because cholesterol is a precursor to testosterone, and by inhibiting the production of cholesterol, statins may also reduce the amount of testosterone that is produced. Soy. It contains compounds known as phytoestrogens, which are plant-based compounds that can mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. Phytoestrogens work by binding to estrogen receptors in the body, which can interfere with the body's natural hormone balance. In men, this can lead to a reduction in testosterone levels. Too much sugar. Consuming high levels of sugar can lead to insulin resistance, which is a condition where the body cells become less responsive to the hormone insulin. Insulin is an important hormone that regulates blood sugar levels in the body. When the body becomes insulin resistant, the pancreas produces more insulin in an attempt to regulate blood sugar levels. This can lead to an increase in the production of a protein called sex hormone binding globulin, SHBG, which binds to testosterone and reduces its availability in the body. Additionally, consuming high levels of sugar may lead to inflammation in the body. Inflammation can cause oxidative stress, which can damage the cells in the testes responsible for producing testosterone. Low hydrochloric acid in your stomach can also be a problem since this acid is necessary for digestion, so that the body can absorb trace minerals such as zinc. Indications of low HCl include heartburn, indigestion, acid reflux. Also watch our video on top vitamins to boost testosterone.
Thank you for watching this video on healthy habits. We hope you found the information helpful and are motivated to make positive changes in your own health and wellness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. We post new content every week, so there's always something new and exciting to learn. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and always do our best to respond to your comments. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.